Never thought I'd be on a boat. Okay. Fishing pole. Casey Smith. Pink couch style. Me on a boat. Fishes. Casey, come over here. Do it now. Oh, we lost a little band. What? Well, it's probably not over there anymore. Dude, it can see the pole. There's probably a fish on here for all I know. Yeah, I never thought I'd be on a boat.